If your car does not start when it is hot, you can use a scanner to determine the exact fault of your vehicle. If you do not have a scanner, you can check with these items. Number 1. Touch the coil when the coil is hot or you feel that the coil is hot. It means that the coil is damaged, and for this reason, when the car gets hot, the coil also makes everything malfunction, and the ignition is quite complicated. Number 2. Check the spark plugs. When the spark plugs are faulty, the car may not start on the first try. What can happen is that the spark plug does have a spark, but the spark is not fast or powerful enough to ignite the fuel. Number 3. Check the sensors. It may be that the sensors are injecting too much gasoline. In this case, check the sensors, MAP sensor, oxygen sensor, do maintenance, clean them and replace them because it may be that one of them is failing. What you can also do is to test them with a multimeter to be sure that none of these sensors are working. Fourth, check the fuel pump. The fuel pump is the one that is no longer cooled when it gets hot, so it will stick and cause ignition problems when the engine is running or when the car is running for a long time. But why does this happen? When the car heats up and we turn it off, it continues to increase the internal temperature in the engine for a while. The gases remain trapped in the engine without being able to escape. This usually does not occur in full injection engines, since the system is more precise and does not let fuel that is not going to be burned pass through. There is still steam generated by the hot fuel, which prevents the car from restarting easily for a while. You may also have a temperature problem. Some of your fans may not be turning on or not working properly, so it is very difficult for the engine to lower the heat as the pistons swell and rub, causing this type of failure. How can we solve it? As I already told you, most of these problems come with carbureted vehicles. For this, place a thermal insulator or insulation under the carburetor. I also recommend wrapping the affected lines with this type of material and the problem should be solved. If you liked the video, let me know with a comment and see you in the next video.